And why water exaggeration, infection. And the second one is our washrooms and bathrooms. So I would like to say take short showers instead of taking long baths in washrooms. So because it causes water spoilage and turn off running water whenever you enter the washroom during shave or making your hair. And the third one is laundry. Be careful using water in your laundry because most of the water is lost in laundry because I remember that once our teacher said that I often don't wash my clothes because of water spoiling in the household level. I would like to give an example of our teacher that we should preserve water by restricting our laundry once or twice a week. And the third one is outdoors. In outdoors, I would like to suggest vegetation because it enhances the ground level, water ground level. And the second one is smaller gardens. I want all of you to maximize the use of natural vegetation and establish smaller gardens in your households. Promoting specifically the shrubs and grass because these don't take much of the water and spread freely as well. And the third one is improve soil conditions in households. Improve soil conditions helps water retention in the soil and also help in vegetation. And reuse of rainfall. If you can store the rainfall water, it will be of the basic use. That will be a factor preparing the concept of water spoilage. And the third one is washing cars, bicycles, tractors, households, and avoid cleaning houses. I would suggest cleaning your houses with the brooms, etc. Not to wash it once or twice, or they should be once in a week. So this was our contribution to the house.